Hi everyone, Deb here. I am a day late, but I wanted to get something up. This is my entry for Pirate Pretty's Jewelry Challenge, and for July, which we're supposed to put up on the 15th. The color is ruby, so I'm using these tiny 3mm ruby crystals. I pulled out some 6mm bicone Swarovski, but they didn't work. The 5mm worked, but I didn't have them in ruby, so I used crystal clear with the two each of the 3mm little ones. Color was gunmetal or gold. I went with gold because I had one pack of gold owls, and these were little ones, which you'll see in a minute. I didn't use this yet. Haven't decided whether I want to use that with ruby. Actually, our project type was earrings, and the fun element was skulls or owls, and I'm not a skull person. I make stuff once in a while because other people are, but I am not. I just have an aversion to it for some reason. I did use a pair of lever backs that have these little flowers on, lever backs with loops, and I also used, to bring in gold, these Beading bead jackets, and this is what I meant when I couldn't fit them. You'll see on the earring. Let me bring those in and I'll show you. So, okay, so what I made doesn't have a lot of ruby in it, but these are what I made. Anyway, these are the two little owls. They're facing towards each other, and I thought that was appropriate since on here they're like little love owls, right? These are the bead jackets, and you see I could easily fit the 2-3 in the ruby and the 5 in the clear in those bead jackets, but a 6mm was too big. I couldn't get the eye pin through the bead jacket. And then I wire wrapped up here, but this is just 5mm jump ring hooking onto the bead jacket, the head eye pin for the bead jacket, and then the ear wires, the lever backs, are hooked directly onto the wire wrap part. So that is it. So much for ruby. Not a whole lot of ruby, but I got the owls and the gold going on and the earrings. And I do have a little bit of ruby in there. Just doesn't. Almost. Oh my goodness. Why won't it show? And also, my air conditioner is running because it is very hot, and also today the humidity is back. There you go. Okay, so that's it for my submission for this month. Please go check out Pirate Pretty's, and I know I saw Metal Scrapping Chick might also have been a day late, and I don't know who else participated. Click on the hashtag that'll be in the description below, and you'll be able to find everyone that participated this month. Alright guys, take care, have a great weekend and week ahead. Bye.